Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to turn off comments on your YouTube video on YouTube Studio. So let's say I want to turn off comments for this particular video. What I want to do is I'm going to click on the pen icon to show me this part where I get the video details. But if you're uploading for the first time, when you're uploading you still see some of these options but to be arranged a little differently. And so this part will not be placed here to be page by page. So you scroll all the way down until you see show more. Click on show more. So you scroll down and you see the part of comments. So we have comments and ratings. Then you can see comments, tap on it. So when you click on it, you have pause or off. So you can try to pause comments or turn it off. So it's important that once you've done that, this place will light up. Let's say I want to pause it. Then I click on save. Wait a few seconds and change is saved. Now if I want to turn it back on, I click on and I click on save. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful.